स्टार्टिंग से ही करेंगे। स्टार्ट हो रहा है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर, माय नेम इज़ बिलाल इनोवेशन वाला और आज हमारे इंटरव्यू है स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं किन्जा। तो क्या आप हमारे को थोड़ा सा आपका इंट्रोडक्शन दे दें?
And I have done my intermediate. I am done my CIT, also my done English diploma. Now I'm waiting for result.
ओके, तो आई विल ask you some questions about AI.
Yeah, sure.
What is artificial intelligence in simple words?
Artificial intelligence is technology that allows machine and computer to think, learn, and solve problems like humans.
Okay, so how is AI changing our daily lives?
AI helps smartphones, social media, online shopping, maps, voice machine, healthcare, and education by making tasks faster and easier.
Okay, can I think like humans? Why or why not?
No, AI can't fulfill things like humans because it doesn't have the emotions like humans.
Okay, then what are the biggest advantage of AI?
It saves time, more accurate. It doesn't have any kind of quality.
Okay, the what are the dangers or risks of AI?
AI may cause job loss, privacy problem, fake inventions. That's all.
Okay, then should AI replace human in some jobs?
AI can replace and dangerous job, but humans are still needed for creativity, emotions, leadership, and marketing.
Okay, can I be creative like artists or musicians?
AI create music, painting, and stories, but it works from existing data. Human creative.
Okay, then can I? How does AI help student in education?
AI provides personal learning, quickly answer, language translation, smart learning.
Okay, then should schools teach AI subjects to students?
Yes, school should teach AI because it's becoming an important skill for future careers in technology and understanding.
Okay, then can AI make better decisions than humans?
AI can faster and more accurate decision using larger amount of data, but humans are better in emotion and moral decisions.
Okay, is AI making people more lazy or more productive?
AI can do both. It increase proficiency by saving time, but too much dependence.
Okay, then how does AI affect social media and communication?
It's AI suggest videos, filter, scam, translation, voice. That's all.
Okay, then can AI understand human emotions?
AI cannot feel that how humans feel because it's a machine, so it can't feel like humans.
Okay, then should there be rules and laws for AI development?
Yes, rules are important to protect privacy of AI from family.
ओके गाइस, तो हम आपसे एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद मिलते हैं। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
अल्लाह हाफिज। अभी निकाल दूंगी। आ
ओ हाय देयर। सो अब हम हमारा ये इंटरव्यू आगे स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना स्टार्ट करता हूँ। देन, विल एआई क्रिएट मोर जॉब्स और टेक अवे जॉब्स इन द फ्यूचर?
AI may replace some jobs but also create new careers in technology, robots, programming, and AI management.
ओके, कैन एआई ever become dangerous to humanity?
AI can become dangerous if used for hacking, sharing wrong data.
Okay, what is the difference between AI and human intelligence?
AI works with data and programming, while human intelligence includes emotions, creativity, and self-awareness.
Okay, then how is AI used in healthcare and medicine?
AI helps doctors decreases, discover medicine, monitor patients, and improve medical research.
Okay, then how is AI used? Sorry, can AI help solve global problems like climate change?
Yes, AI can climate data, improve energy efficiency, desire, and support environmental protection.
Okay, then the last question is, what do you think the future of AI will look like in 20 years?
In 20 years, AI may become a major part of daily life with smarter healthcare, education, transportation, and robots helping humans in many areas.
ओके, थैंक यू किंजा कि आपने मेरे को आपका प्रीशियस टाइम दिया। और आज का इंटरव्यू हम यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं, तो अल्लाह हाफिज़।
Allah Hafiz.